Hello guys, welcome to Jeneponto Regency. Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, I doubt myself, and I'm too proud to ask for help. When you see me beside myself, I don't have to explain it, baby. Yeah, I'm over picking fights and trying to mend it with the
Hello guys, I want to introduce myself with language Japan. Hajimemashite, minasan konnichiwa, watashi wa Aisha to moshimasu. Watashi wa Nokia no Gaida desu. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yes, let me introduce myself. My name is Icha Tahir, what you can call me Icha. And I'm from Tour and Travel Business Management.
pull me close, show me baby where the light is. I was scared of a heart I couldn't silence with you.
Welcome to South Sulawesi, special in Jeneponto Regency. Now, I am in the Bosoloro Hill area adjacent to the waterfall called Tamalanua Waterfall.
Make me feel good, I like it.
Well, I will explain about adventure. Adventure is a location where special interest is usually used by someone to make a very thrilling trip for someone.
Crazy.
But the assumption was broken after saying that Bosolok is located in the village of Ramba, Jeneponto Regency. This waterfall began to be famous for young people who like to travel or take a picture of trips to the village of Rumbia, which take a kid along.
I was scared of a heart I couldn't silence. When you make me feel good. I like it. Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Pull me close, show me baby where the light is. I was scared.
And if you want to see Tamalulua waterfall closer, you have to come from the Bosolo Hill, which is cute steps and rocks. Tamalulua Waterfall, Bosolo Hill, South Sulawesi Regency, is said to be a paradise waterfall, but Jeneponto is known to be dry and barren, so it is rarely found cool and beautiful.
Taking the weights off to help with
The waterfall is still a place of special interest because there are still less people to see the Tamalulua waterfall. Because if you want to see the waterfall, you have to trek in first so you can see the waterfall.
You make me feel You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got.